Morning everybody, welcome back to the Outpost. That log that I was whittling on, that's actually a beam. I've got it turned around right there in front of the camera. We're going to demonstrate how that new extension on the tractor works. I'm going to go ahead and back the cameras up and we'll hook up to this log and we'll see if this thing is going to work like we hope it does and what we designed it to do. Hey guys, we have worked all day. We finally got the other center post done. Those things take a while because some of them had 10 mortises, and the mortise takes a while to dig it out. Anyway, I've got 2 more logs ready to cut. They just have tenons, so they go really quick. Tomorrow, depending on how much we can get done there, then I will clean this slab off and we'll start measuring and we'll snap some lines and we'll be ready to actually start putting those up. Now it's actually going to kind of go in reverse because as I cut the lumber and stacked it, it came from the back corner and it worked its way around and towards the front. So these that we're working on last are actually this front corner over here. It doesn't really make any difference as long as I don't box myself in where I can't get in with the tractor. But anyway, I think everything's going to be fine. So like I said, if we can snap lines, then we'll get started on that tomorrow. It'll be going up in the air. My neighbor cut me some 4-inch pieces of angle iron with 2 holes drilled on each side. I will drill holes in the concrete, drive an anchor in, anchor that down, then drill a hole in the bottom of the post. I've got all thread that he said that he was going to get that cut too. That way we can anchor the post to the foundation and everything should go as planned. The other thing I wanted to mention, you've seen that addition that we put onto that bucket. It works pretty good, although it's quite long. That bucket is rated for 1,100 pounds. So when you get something stuck way out there on the end, sometimes it doesn't want to lift up because the pivot point is, you know, back towards the tractor. But anyway, it works good. I primarily made that for just 3 beams. That was the center beams, the top beams, because I didn't want anybody getting hurt lifting those 16 feet in the air. So that was a couple $100 that I spent on that tubing, just primarily for that one reason right there, because the bucket would have probably lifted the upper portion of the beams on the outside. But anyway, it does work, so we'll just have to kind of play with it, you know, and do the best we can, but hopefully nobody gets hurt. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and close this down. We'll get back out here early in the morning and film again, hopefully setting post this time and getting this cabin put up in the air. You worn out? Kind of so-so?
Yeah.
Tired of burning logs?
No, it's going well.
We'll go ahead and shut this down. We hope everybody has a great evening. Take care, be safe, and we look forward to seeing you at the outpost in the future.